Bagyong Pepito, lumalapit na sa kalupaan, nagbabadyang maglandfall ngayong gabi sa Catanduanes. Nasaan? 120 kilometro silangan ng Virac, Catanduanes. Lakas ng hangin, 195 kilometers per hour. Bugso, 240 kilometers per hour. Kilos, west-northwestward sa bilis na 20 kilometers per hour. Tropical cyclone wind signals. Wind signal number 5. Catanduanes, northeastern portion ng Camarines Sur. Wind signal number 4, Camarines Norte, the northern and southeastern portion of Camarines Sur. The northeastern portion of Albay. Wind signal number 3, Polillo Islands, the northern and eastern portions of mainland Quezon. The rest of Camarines Sur, the rest of Albay. The northern portion of Sorsogon. Eastern and central portions of northern Samar, the northern portion of eastern Samar. Wind signal number 2, the southern portion of Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Mountain Province, Benguet La Union, Pangasinan, Aurora, Nueva Ecija. Bulacan, Tarlac, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan. Metro Manila, Rizal, the rest of Quezon. Laguna, Cavite, Marinduque, Berries Island, and Ticao Island, rest of Sorsogon. Central portion of eastern Samar. The northern portion of Samar. The rest of northern Samar. Wind signal number 1. Mainland Cagayan, the rest of Isabela, Apayao, Kalinga, Abra, Ifugao, Ilocos Norte. Ilocos Sur, Batangas, the northern portion of Occidental Mindoro, the northern portion of Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, the rest of Masbate, rest of eastern Samar, the rest of Samar, Biliran, the northern and central portions of Leyte, the northeastern portion of southern Leyte, the northernmost portion of Cebu including Bantayan Islands, the northernmost portion of Iloilo, northern portion of Dinagat Islands. Track Outlook. Base sa latest forecast track ng Pag-asa, inaasahang maglandfall na ang Bagyong Pepito sa isla ng Catanduanes ngayong gabi bilang super typhoon. Posible itong tumuloy ang pagkilos nito pa west-northwestward at maglandfall sa bahagi ng Aurora Province sa mainland Luzon bukas ng hapon, Linggo, November 17. Asahan pa rin ang banta ng malakas na pag-ulan at matinding bugso ng hangin ng mga lugar na nasa labas ng kanyang forecast track at ng cone of uncertainty. Intensity Outlook. Posible pa itong lumakas sa lakas ng hangin na umabot ng 205 km per hour bago o pagkatapos maglandfall sa Catanduanes. Asahan ang unti-unting paghina paglapit ng sentro ng mata sa Polillo Islands at sa Aurora Province, ngunit mapaminsala pa rin ang hanging dala nito. Inaasahan na posibleng maglandfall ito sa Aurora bilang isang super typhoon. Asahan na hihina ito bilang typhoon pagtawid nito ng Central Luzon. Manatiling nakatutok sa weather balita para sa bago pang update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.